Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from your Fidelity IRA account. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Whether you need to access funds for retirement expenses or another purpose, Fidelity makes the withdrawal process relatively simple. I'll walk you through each step so you can complete the transaction with confidence. Once you log into your Fidelity account, you will be taken to the account dashboard. From there, look for the Transfers option located near the top of the page. Click on it to access the section where you can move money between accounts or withdraw funds from your IRA. The next screen will ask you to select the account you want to withdraw money from. Choose your Fidelity IRA from the list of available accounts. Depending on the type of IRA you have, Fidelity may display important information regarding distribution rules, tax withholding options, or other account-specific requirements. Be sure to review any notices that appear before continuing. After selecting your IRA, you will need to choose where you want the money sent. If you already have a bank account linked to your Fidelity profile, you can select it as the destination account. If you do not have a bank account linked yet, you can add and verify one before proceeding with the withdrawal. Once you have selected the receiving bank account, continue to the Transfer Details section. Here, you will enter the amount you would like to withdraw from your IRA. Fidelity may show your available balance and any applicable limits. In some cases, you may also be asked to choose your federal and state tax withholding preferences, depending on the type of distribution you are requesting. After entering the withdrawal amount and completing any required selections, click the Continue button. You will then be taken to a review page where all of the details of your withdrawal request are displayed. Carefully check the source account, destination bank account, withdrawal amount, and any tax withholding elections to make sure everything is correct. If all the information looks accurate, click the Submit button to finalize the withdrawal request. Fidelity will provide a confirmation number that you can save for your records, and you will usually receive a confirmation email indicating that your request has been successfully submitted. That's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.